Let's draw a duck. A big round body. Your turn. A round head on top. A pointy beak. A little eye. A soft wing. One webby foot. 2 feet. Great job!